Hello and welcome to Sweet Vibe. Today we will be making a delicious coffee pudding with gelatin. To start, take a bowl and mix half a cup of milk with 2 tablespoons of coffee powder. In a separate bowl, add 10 grams of gelatin and 1 cup of water. Soak the gelatin in water for a few minutes. In a pan, add 1.5 cups of milk, half a cup of sugar and a quarter cup of condensed milk. Bring the mixture to a boil while stirring continuously. Next, melt the gelatin and pour the coffee mixture into the milk. Stir well to combine. Add the melted gelatin to the milk mixture and stir until everything is thoroughly mixed. Transfer the coffee mixture into a pudding tray and decorate it with some nuts. Allow it to cool and then refrigerate the pudding for a few hours. This is a delicious coffee pudding that does not use china glass. It's a simple and easy to follow recipe that's sure to be a hit with coffee lovers. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed making this yummy coffee pudding at home. So that's for this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you all in next video. Thank you.